What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Tecno Bravo B1 earphones. I also want to take a moment to thank Tecno for sending me these Bravo B1 earphones to test out and try them out for myself. So let's get into the video. So let's start by first unboxing these earphones. Take it out. Okay, so right away, you are greeted with the earphones. And let's see what else you get here. So all the way at the bottom of the box, it seems like there's a box that's gonna have the charger. So let's open that up before we get to the earphones themselves. Let's see. Okay, so these do have several ear tip, several ear tip pieces to help with if you have any, whether you have a small or big ear, it helps with the comfort. So that way it can have a nice and proper fit. Let's see what else you got. More ear tips. And then you have the user manual and the charger, and this uses a micro USB charger. So let's put all of this aside. Now let's take out the headphones. So the one thing I'm immediately noticing is that this is not a hard part around the back of the earphone. So on the box with the picture, I thought this is going to be hard plastic, and that's not the case. This is really more of a rubber material, as you can see. And let's just continue to remove it. So right here you have your volume control switch, which is volume up, volume down, and then your pause and play button. And then you also, here with the earphones, one of the cool things about these earphones is that it's magnetic. The top part of each earphone is magnetic, so when you're trying to carry them around, just simply close it and carry them, and you don't have to worry about them knocking around things because they're free and they're moving around everywhere. So that's pretty cool. Now let's talk price and feature. Starting off with the price, these earphones go for $29.99 on Amazon from Tecno themselves, but they're currently running a 20% promotion where you can get it now for around $24, maybe more depending on the taxes that you're paying. Now, when it comes to features, these earphones from Tecno feature a Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which makes it for a more seamless transition between devices, and even the pairing is very good and very quick. Especially if you have a Tecno mobile device, it's even better. These earphones also feature a 13.6mm sound driver, as well as they are IPX5 waterproof, which means that they can actually withstand a little bit more than any normal everyday spills. They can actually be, have water thrown at them and it would be fine. It can also withstand heavy sweat, especially that these would be in-ear headphones and they're meant for working out. So they can also withstand any type of heavy sweating on them and they can still work just fine. Now let's talk about comfort, because when I had these in my ear for a couple of hours now, they are really not that bad. So it's really soft and it's a very nice rubberized material around here. So it feels nice. You're not feeling plastic around your ear. It's all rubber material, especially these removable ear tips that you can use different ear tip sizes so it can better fit your ear. So when it comes to comfort, in my opinion, super comfortable experience. I really didn't have any issues with comfort, especially after wearing these for a couple of hours. Now let's talk battery life. Now these earphones feature 500 hours of standby battery, as well as if you're using them or when you're using them, they feature 38 hours of playtime, which is really impressive. Now once that 38-hour playtime, I recharged it. It took about, I would say, an hour and 45 minutes, close to 2 hours to fully charge from low battery to full charge. Next, let's talk sound quality. Now, the sound quality for these earphones, I'm gonna say the same thing that I mentioned with the H1 earphones. I really didn't have super high expectations because of its price point, very simply. There's only so much a company can do when they're selling a product for $30. They can't really invest a ton into the technology behind the product without losing money. So naturally, some of the equipment or anything that's fitted to these earphones, like the sound drivers, are not going to be as impressive as the AirPods Pro. So when you buy earphones like this, just know that you're getting very good sound for the price that you're paying. I didn't hear a lot of in-depth sound when it comes to bass quality. So if you're the type of person that really cares about bass, I didn't get anything, when I'm listening to it, I didn't notice that it really picked up on the details of the bass or the music in general. But you are listening to the music. It is a nice, clean sound. Finally, let's test out the mic quality for these headphones. So I'm going to record a couple of examples and I'm going to play it for you right now. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Testing. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. This is not a drill. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. So this was my unboxing and review of the Tecno Bravo B1 earphones. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. I hope you have a great day. Take care.